very good morning to all of you. My name is Shweta Singh. In today's present scenario, due to COVID-19, what are the importance of online education? I'm going to discuss with what are the national initiatives for online education and teacher preparation. Realizing the importance of digital education and its ability to ensure continuity of school education. Even in the current scenario, a program for multi-mode access to digital online education was launched on 17th May 2020 under the PM eVidya program. As a comprehensive initiative, PM eVidya envisages to unify all efforts related to digital, online, on-air education, benefiting nearly 25 crore school-going children across the country. These initiatives include: first one is Diksha, second one is Swayam Prabha, third one is Swayam, fourth one is On Air, fifth one is special e-content for visually and hearing impaired, and last one is online teaching. I'm going to discuss about Diksha and Swayam Prabha and Swayam. Diksha, One Nation, One Digital Program. Diksha, a globally unique Made in India initiatives for effective teaching and administration, has increased its footprints manifold since the time of its inception. Primary audience of Diksha are students, teachers and parents communities due to the ability of Diksha to break the barriers of access and provide contextualized content in 18 languages. Moreover, the digital content on Diksha is free, accessible and can be further distributed without increasing any cost. Diksha can be accessed at the given site diksha.government.in. Next point in Diksha is the QR code imposed in textbooks provide a ready gateway for any new modified content piece being uploaded on Diksha. E-content up to 1900 QR code analyzed textbooks of 27 states and UTs are on Diksha. Realizing the scale and potential of Diksha, multiple institutions, organizations and individuals over the years have expressed their interest in contributing digital resources on Diksha. Next point is Swayam. Swayam Prabha. First of all, I would like to tell you about the Swayam. What is the full form of Swayam? Study webs of active learning for young aspiring minds. Swayam Prabha, it's a TV channel. Swayam Prabha is a group of 32 DTH channels devoted to telecasting high quality education program. The program covers schools education across grades, providing modules for teachers training as well as teaching and learning aids for children of India through 4 channels to help them understand the subjects better and help them in preparing for competitive examination for admissions to professional degree programs. It focuses on providing 1 channel per grade with a sample weekly schedule to help teachers and students understand the modules to be emphasized upon during the week. The schedule will be given and available on swayamprabha.government.in. In Swayam, NCERT has launched 34 online courses for students class 11-12 and teachers on the Swayam portal. Next point is NIOS offers 18 MOOCs courses at secondary level and 20 courses at senior secondary level. The MOOCs are developed using the 4-quadrant approach. First one is text in PDF, a teaching video, self-assessment exercise, and last one is discussion forum. These can be accessed at the www.swayam.government.in. Students and teachers both can access all the course modules for free by logging on this site. Thank you.